Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. തിരക്കഥയാണ് ഒരു സിനിമയെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ നട്ടെല്ല്. Now we have the award to be presented for the iconic screenplay. I'd like to invite Mr. Tariq bin Juma, CEO, Millionaires Club, to the stage, please. The nominees for the iconic screenplay are
IFA 2012 International Malayalam Film Awards, Armani Pavilion, Burj Khalifa.
വെറുതെ അല്ലാൾ കരീംഖാന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ല.
ഫൈസി ഇനി ഇതൊക്കെ പഠിക്കാൻ കിടക്കണ.
എന്തിനാ നിന്നോട് ഒളിച്ചു വയ്ക്കുന്നു? നീ അത് അറിയേണ്ടതല്ലേ മീര? ഒരു കാര്യം ഞാൻ പറയാം, ഏത് ടെർമിനൽ രോഗമാവട്ടെ, ഭാര്യയ്ക്കോ ഭർത്താവിനോ ആർക്കോ.
Ladies and gentlemen, Radio Me IMFA Awards 2012 and the best or the iconic screenplay goes to
Bobby Sanjay.
Bobby Sanjay. As Bobby Sanjay couldn't be here, their auntie will be receiving the award, their aunt. Please, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the iconic screenplay for Bobby Sanjay from the Lal Jos movie, our favorite, Ayalam Nyanam Tamil. Want to speak a few words?
Thank you, Infa. It is very rarely in the life of a person that happiness and contentment and pride register consciously at the same moment. This is one of those moments for me. I must thank my sons, Bobby and Sanjay, for this. I want to say that I am very proud of them. But the truth is, I would have preferred to sit down there, clapping my hands proudly when they were receiving this award on the stage. I want to use this opportunity to thank the whole crew of Ayalam Nyanam Tamil for the success of the movie. I want to thank specially Lal Jos, who converted it into a beautiful piece of art. I want to thank Pradap Pothan, who enriched it with his presence as Dr. Samuel. I want to thank Rima and Ramya for their wonderful contribution. Though they are not here, I want to thank Prithvi Raj for his excellent performance in the film. I want to thank Avse Bachchan for his soulful music. I want to thank Joe Mon for making it a visual treat. Above all, I want to congratulate my husband Prem Prakash for producing the movie. This was a wonderful evening for me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you.
Good evening, friends. Ellavarkum namaskaram. Now we have the award to be presented to iconic editor. I would like to invite Mr. Shamla, Director of Malabar Gold and Diamonds. Please. The nominations for the iconic editor are
IFA 2012 International Malayalam Film Awards, Armani Pavilion, Burj Khalifa.
തിരിഞ്ഞല്ലടാ. ഇവിടെ ഒരുത്തനുണ്ട്.
ഡാ ഇനി നോളുടെ കൈ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് സ്റ്റെൻസിൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. സ്ട്രപ്സിൽസ് സ്റ്റെൻസിൽ. ഓക്കെ.
Sir, I'm so sorry, sir.
now Shamlal will reveal the award winner.
Good evening. The award goes to Vivek Harshan.
Mr. Vivek Harshan for 22 Female Kottayam. 22 ഫീമെയിൽ കോട്ടയം എന്ന മനോഹര സിനിമ എഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത പ്രതിഭയാണ് ഈ അവാർഡിന് അർഹനായിട്ടുള്ളത്. I would like to invite Mr. Shamla to give away the award. Shamlal, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് പോകാം.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Shamlal.
Good evening, all. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you. And congratulations for all the winners. Thank you.
Congratulations to Vivek Harshan for 22 female Kottayam. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor a very special person. And let me give a brief about this great personality. Joshi, a director, for his big budget movies, especially action movies in Malayalam cinema, he has a huge array of stars when it comes to his movies, and his career began assisting big names like M. Krishnan Nair, Shashi Kumar, and debuted with Tiger Salam in 1978. He's popular for his movies like New Delhi, Nair Saab, Number 20 Madras Mail, Lelam, Runway, Naran, 2020, and Run Baby Run of 2012. A soft-spoken man, he doesn't like giving interviews to TV or any other visual media. And so, also, the print media is also kept away from him. We'd like to salute this magician of cinema, Sri Joshi, and to honor, I'd like to invite Mr. Marwan Abdullah, head of Dubai Tourism Department, onto the stage. And on behalf of Joshi, I'd like to invite Sri Vinod Vijayan onto the stage to receive the award on his behalf. Director Vinod Vijayan onto the stage, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Marwan Abdullah. Thank you, Director Vinod Vijayan. Now we move on to another song, and this song is very special because everyone is humming the tunes of that particular song, Vadilil Aa Vadilil. I'd like to invite Sachin Warrior and our friend Ranjit Melepat. This time, let's make a difference being off stage and with the piano. Sachin would be singing this beautiful song for you. Enjoy.
കാണാനോരോ വഴി തേടി കാണും നേരം വിഴിമൂടി ഓമലേ നിന്നീലയോ നാണമായി വഴുതീലയോ പുന്നാരം ചൊരിയുമളവിലിവളിളകി മറിയുമൊരു കടലായി കിന്നാരം പറയുമഴകിലവളിളറിയിടറും ഒരു മഴയായി കളിച്ചിരിതളുകൾ ചിരിമണിതളുകൾ ഇടരുവതനുപമമായി ചെഞ്ചുണ്ടിൽ 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 ചേർന്നു ചെഞ്ചുണ്ടിൽ 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 ചേർന്നു വാതിലിൽ ആ വാതിലിൽ കാതോർത്തു നീ നിന്നീലേ പാതിയിൽ പാടാത്തൊരാ തേനൂരിടും ഇശലായി ഞാൻ വാതിലിൽ ആ വാതിലിൽ കാതോർത്തു നീ നിന്നീലേ പാതിയിൽ പാടാത്തൊരാ തേനൂരിടും ഇശലായി ഞാൻ Thank you so much. Thank you.